We not only have single glue pot beveling machine,
but also double glue pot beveling machines.
Let's take a look at it. This one behind me is a beveling machine with 2 glue pots.
Let me introduce its specific functions to you.
This is our beveling and crushing knife function. Then there is a bevel gluing function. Straight edge gluing. Straight edge pressing. And straight and oblique edge. There is also a fine trimming function. Head and tail trimming. Edge scraping.
We are equipped with a cleaning device.
And also have a double polishing function. If customers need it,